I would like to ask everyone to calm down, close your eyes, and think about it. Have you ever had such experience? When you are desperate at night, you call the friend who always listens to you slightly. He did not blame you for interpreting, but just listened to you quietly, and then whispered to you, I am here. At that moment, do you feel particularly at ease? We always think that friends will always be around, but in the long journey of life, there will always be someone who quietly lives before you have time to cheer them. So why do we talk about this topic? Whether you are a student, a working person, or a turning point in your life, everyone has more or less appeared in a few special friends in their lives. They may not contact you every day, but their existence makes your life no longer lonely. Therefore, cherishing the friends around you is not only a common topic, but also something that each of us should seriously think about and practice. I'm not a psychologist or a relationship mentor, but like everyone here, I have experienced weather, misunderstanding, and even the pain of loss in friendship. It is because of the regret that I understand more clearly that the, com- the company of friends is never take for granted. Today, I want to use my real experience and feelings to remind everyone. Don't wait until you lose it before learning to cherish it. Why do we often ignore the extent of friends? First of all, in the process of pursuing academic, career, or personal goals, we are often filled with various takes in our lives, and even a simple greeting becomes rare. We are used to the company of friends and take it for granted that we will always be there until one day when you really need them. You find that you have different away. In fact, many friendships are not enlightening because of contradictions, but because of a sensitive let's talk when we are free, which is post postponed again and again because of a sensitive. He should understand me, but it has never been really expired. We forgot that friendship, like love, needs to be managed, responded, and to cried for. Frequent in the internet age is nowadays. In addition to our neglect, another formal worth of religion is that in this area of social media, we seem to be closer to the world, but the entertainments between people are further away. We have hundreds of contacts on Instagram, Facebook, or WeChat. But can these interactions of like this comment and response really bring emotional support when we are really troubled? These online friends may only provide a word of encouragement, but they can't accompany you through the night. We gradually get used to formal communication and forget that we can really maintain feelings is face-to-face communication, deep talk, and listening to each other. True friendship can withstand misunderstandings and conflicts. In fact, it is often not third part of the external environment that breaks friendship, but our escape from conflicts and misunderstandings. True friends do not mean that there will never be disagreements, but even if there is a quarrel, they can choose to communicate, understand, and trigger after calming down. Many friends, many relationships become stronger in sincere exchange again and again. When minding understanding score it is more important to experience corner and apologize bravely than anything else. Don't always think that time will equal everything. Sometimes sometimes time will cool everything. The most valuable thing about friendship is not that you are never quarrel, but that you can still care about each other after quarreling. From today on, cherishing cherishing those who really care about you. Today, I shared three accepts with you. We ignore the exercises of friends in our busy lives. Social media makes us mistakenly think that we have many friends, and friendship needs to resolve conflicts through communication. Now, I would like to ask you one thing before the day end of today. Call a friend you haven't contacted for a long time, or send a message to tell him, hey, I miss you. Are you okay? Maybe this message seems insignificant, but it may rekindle a friendship and recontact a heart that once walked side by side with you. True friendship does not depend on how many friends you have, but on whether you treat each friend sincerely. Friends are the warmest combinations in our life journey. The umbrella when the wind and the rain come, and the lamp in the cold night. May we all learn to cherish the friends around us, because they are the harbor of our hearts and the life force that accompanies us through the wind and rain. Okay, thanks for